Hi, I'm Hendrika de Klerk. I'm an audiologist and I will be showing you how to do vestibular rehabilitation, specifically gaze stabilization exercises. This is a 4-level program and we're going to do level 2 today. For level 2, you need to focus on your thumb, which will be in front of your eyes, and you need to make sure you're looking at a monotone wall behind your thumb. So for the first exercise, you're going to lift up your thumb and then you're going to focus on it all the time. So we're going to start the exercises and we're going to do it for 30 seconds at a time. Let's start looking at your thumb. Turn your head left and right as far and fast as you can. Keep looking at your thumb all the time. Keep going. Very good. And then you can rest for a second. We're going to do this 3 times. So lift up your thumb again. Looking at your thumb, keep your focus on your thumb. Move your head left and right, all the while looking at your thumb. And we're done. And then the last one, same story. Lift up your thumb, keep your eyes focused on your thumbnail, and move your head left and right as far and as fast as you can, all the while keeping focus on your thumb. And we're done. Then we're going to do the second one. For this one, we're going to do exactly the same exercises, except you're going to move your head up and down. So lift up your thumb, keep your focus on your thumbnail. Now you're going to move your head up and down as far and as fast as you can, all the while keeping focus on your thumbnail. Very good. And then for the second one, exactly the same. Lift up your thumb and keep going up and down with your head, focusing on your thumbnail all the while. Done. And the third one, lift up your thumb, looking at your thumbnail, and move your head up and down, focusing on your thumbnail. Good. Then we're going to move on to the second exercise. For this one, we're going to keep our thumbnail in front of us, but we're going to move our head. So lift up your thumb, giving focus on your thumbnail, and then you're going to start moving your thumb left and right as far and as fast as you can. all the while keeping focus on that thumbnail. Keep your head still and only move your eyes. Good. And you can rest for a second, and then we're going to do the same thing. Lift up your thumb, keep your head still, and move your thumb left and right as far and as fast as you can, all the while keeping focus on your thumbnail. Very good. And then the last repetition, lift up your thumb and start moving left and right. Very good. So for the next one, we're going to move up and down. So you're going to lift up your thumb, focus on your thumbnail, keep your head still, and then you're going to move your thumb up and down as far and as fast as you can, always keeping focus on your thumbnail. Very good. And then the second one, exactly the same. Lift up your thumb, focus on your thumbnail, keep your head still, and move your thumb up and down. And then the last repetition, lift up your thumb and up and down. Follow your thumb with your eyes, keeping your head still. Very good. For the next exercise, you're going to move both your thumb and your upper body. Lift up your thumb, eye level, and then you're going to move your thumb and your whole body from side to side. Left and right, as far and as fast as you can, all the while keeping your eyes focused on your thumb. Very good. For the second repetition, exactly the same. Lift up your thumb, moving left and right as far and as fast as you can, keeping focus on that thumb. And the last repetition, exactly the same. Lift up your thumb and start moving from side to side. And stop. And then we're going to move up and down. So lift up your thumb again, and then you're going to move up and down as far and as fast as you can without losing your balance. So move your whole upper body up and down, following your thumb all the while. Stop, and another repetition. Lift up your thumb, looking at your thumb, and up and down, moving your whole upper body, keeping your thumb in focus all the time. And we're done. Last repetition. Lift up your thumb, focus on it, and start moving up and down. Stop. Good. Then for the last exercise, you're going to use your thumb and your head, and you're going to turn it in opposite directions, equal and opposite directions. So lift up your thumb, and when your thumb goes to one way, your head goes the other way. This is a much smaller movement, but you're going to move your head and your thumb simultaneously in opposite directions. And stop. Second repetition. Lift up your thumb and equal and opposite movements, keeping your eyes focused on your thumb all the while. And stop. And the third repetition, lift up your thumb and start moving in opposite directions. And stop. Then we're going to do up and down. Lift up your thumb, and then you're going to move your head up and down in equal and opposite directions from your thumb. So So move your thumb up, head down. There we go. Stop. And another one, lift up your thumb, and when you move your thumb down, your head goes up and opposite direction. Stop, and then the last repetition, exactly the same. Lift up your thumb, and then you start moving in equal and opposite directions. And stop. And that's it for level 2. Next week we'll go to level 3. Thank you.